Hi there guys, this is the new OUKITEL K3 which I bought it online through gearbest.com, and I will leave you a link into the description. I just received it here in Iceland today, and yeah, I will also make the unbox and maybe some small review for the moment. The full review it might be a little bit later. Alright, so I just open it a little. I try it in the to see how it looks like. The box itself, it's very soft. It looks premium, and also the phone, it has a very fine texture on this cover. It's a very nice cover, and we also receive this foil protection, and then the power brick, which I presume it's 2 amps, and I think it's charging at 9 volts. Yep, 5, 7 and 9 volts output. Probably depends on what type of phone you have, so you can charge any other phones except OUKITEL. That's a good thing. Unfortunately, we have just a normal USB port. There is no Type C for the moment. Maybe in the future product there will be a better one. Here is a key, some manuals in different languages, a warranty certificate. Then over here we have an OTG cable, which it means that you can charge other phones, and also you can use it as auxiliary memory. And you can also put, for example, some mouse, to navigate on the phone. Use it as a computer. Yeah. So the screen, it's a very nice quality. It has already a protection on it. Yeah. And if I will take this one out, you can see it in the back. It has this very nice metal with some screws over here. Yeah. At the bottom there is the speaker with the USB port and a mic. On the side, the power and the volume, plus the SIM card. You can actually see it over here. I will check that one later. Yeah, it has a dual camera and dual LED.